Natural gas continues to look strong yet again on Monday. The video is brought to you by XNest, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The natural gas markets continue to show extreme upward pressure as market participants continue to see a lot of potential demand for natural gas. And furthermore, you also have to pay close attention to the fact that there is a hurricane heading towards the Gulf of Mexico, and that could disrupt the production. So, with that being said, I think the markets are going to continue to be very cautious. I do think that they are going to push the price higher, but I also recognize that this is a market that probably a little overdone. So if you're not already in it, it's very difficult to get aggressive at this point. But I also recognize that we could see uh, like a spike to the upward side towards $3. I had been positioned for this previously, although I was focusing more on the idea of colder temperatures coming to the stage. So we may have a spike, a pullback, a pretty significant pullback, and then that move again. Traders are starting to bring in the idea of those colder temperatures. So this hurricane threat kind of all hit at the right time to just really get things going. Now, with that being said, I do think that you can't chase it here. You also can't do a huge position. You have to be very cautious about overextending yourself. If we get a significant pullback, perhaps the hurricane comes to the Gulf of Mexico, nothing really happens. That might be your entry point. But again, as you know, you've been watching me here, I'm actually long via ETF. So while the gains are substantial here and I may trim some of them, the reality is I'm not levered that much, so I don't really care. That's the only way to play this market is swing trading with low leverage that I have found. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.